Ill Spitters TV.
Okay, it's KK the Princess, and this is my Can I Get a 16? Alright. It's the princess and I'm ready for war. When it's all about bars, I'm down for the cause. Been there, done that, I'm rocking the scars. Just jacking another beat, sending it to the morgue. Headhunter, all the rappers that will pop in this summer better watch your back. Cause it's KK the bounty hunter, put a price on your head. You don't wanna have a problem, got some niggas in the cuts. It's always down to solve a man. Second thing, KK the motherfucking realest. And ain't never worried about a bitch or who gon' feel that I'm the illest. You know that I'm bound to fucking kill it. This run through my veins like I bleed these fucking lyrics. I'm a beast, and I do plan on me running these streets. Most of you rappers obsolete, man, as well take a seat, just leave it to me, cause I'm the goddess of rap. I heard hip-hop was there, so I had to bring it back. You ain't notice they don't make them like me no more. Got a sound you can't ignore, I'm 100 to the core. They thought they was winning, so I had to up the score. Y'all treat rapping like a hobby, and I treat it like a chore. It's routine, and I ain't switching up for nothing. All this money we touching, and yet it just keep coming. We be stacking paper like we trying to build or something. Y'all ain't talking money, then there ain't shit up for discussion. Man, it's beating, crushing. Somebody hit the fire on them, and I write my own shit. No ghosts is needed for nothing. I'm a bad chick with a bad foot, far from average. Stopping all you rappers like y'all was a bad habit. Smoking weed, and that's every day. Eyes low, got me out here looking hella Chinese. We steady chasing this dream, only ride with the team, and we ain't worried about a thing, cause it stick to the scheme. The plan's in full effect, and I don't do disrespect. If you got an issue with KK, then better be direct. Any bitch could get checks, so better watch what you saying. I'ma be the one that got all of you fraud bitches hating. I'm the best that's doing it, ain't no need for debating. Me and the squad taking over, this a fucking invasion. All to stay in your lane, this is my domain. I'm a legal drug dealer, spitting crack cocaine. We ain't one and the same. I'm a different breed of bitch, and I ain't stopping till my whole team is filthy fucking rich, trying to get them dollar signs for dropping these hot lines. It's KK the Princess, the young and steady on the grind.